Hi, second grade. Let's continue exploring poetry. Today, I would like to start with a quote from Ralph Fletcher from 2002. So, why poetry? Maybe you've heard before that poetry is magic and it made you roll your eyes, but I believe it's true. Poetry matters. At the most important moments when everyone else is silent, poetry rises to speak. So, what do you think? Let's see how it is magic. So, here is a poem by Zoe Ryder White called Pencil Sharpener. I think there are 100 bees inside the pencil sharpener, and they buzz and buzz and buzz until my point is sharp. So, what do you think? Isn't it magic to think about the pencil sharpener in such an extraordinary way? Do you know what extraordinary means, by the way? It means unusual or strange. An unusual way of looking at things and thinking about things. So, what I would do is I would just look at the pencil sharpener, thinking about its color, its shape, and other things, but I would never ever think that there could be hundreds of bees. Interesting. And here is what I want to show you today. So let me teach you how to look at things in ordinary and extraordinary ways. So in an ordinary way, when I'm thinking about a sharpener, I would come up with words like, so I'm looking, for example, at this one in the picture, and I notice right away its color. It's bright, it's red. So it is red. Also, I see its shape. It's like it has a rectangular shape. A rectangle. All right, what else do I see? I see some plastic that is made from plastic and metal. And metal, it is also sharp. So I'm looking like a scientist. I'm looking through a scientist's eyes. I also see some words on it, like words. Maybe something else. I don't know, shiny plastic. Okay. All right. Now, what I will do is I will start looking at it in extraordinary way. And what do I need? I need my glasses. I need the glasses that I made yesterday to have that extraordinary vision. Here we go. Ta-da! Now, with the extraordinary glasses on, I will start looking at the sharpener with my poetic eye. Okay, so I'm thinking it is the pencil's best friend. So I can write something like it is a devoted friend. Devoted friend. All right, what else can I think of it? Maybe, you know what? I'm thinking that this little hole in here, this one, might be a door to the might have a door to the unknown. Why not? A door to the unknown. And now as I'm looking closer, I'm noticing some dust. And this might be just magic dust. Or maybe if I start looking at it differently, I think that it might be even a fairy house. So boys and girls, your task today is to look at ordinary things in extraordinary ways. So search your home for 3 objects or things. And then complete 3 T-shirts with 3 facts or ordinary ways about each item, the same way I did. And then put your glasses on, the glasses that you made yesterday, and add 3 poetic or extraordinary ideas about each item. Okay? If you have questions, please ask your teachers. Have fun. Good luck.